In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on Amazon Prime Video. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by the intricacies of subscription management, don't worry, I'm here to simplify the process for you. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon.com. Now, if you're not already logged in, look toward the top right corner of the webpage for the sign in button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've typed in your email, click on continue. Make sure you're entering the same email address associated with your Prime account to avoid any hiccups along the way. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Type it in carefully and then click the sign in button. This action will lead you directly to your Amazon homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an icon that either says all or displays as a small hamburger menu. This icon is usually located near the top left of your screen. Click on it to expand a list of options. Now focus your attention on the section labelled Digital Content and Devices. Within this section you should see an option for Prime Video. Click on Prime Video, which will transport you to a new page dedicated to managing your video related content and settings. Here's where it gets specific. Look for your profile icon. Sometimes it might be just a silhouette or your name. Click on this icon to bring up more options. From the drop down menu, choose Account and Settings. This choice will open a range of settings you can choose from to tailor your experience. You're almost there. Once in Account and Settings, look for the Subscriptions option. Clicking here will guide you to where all your linked subscriptions are neatly organized. It's here that you should find an option labeled either End Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Selecting this will lead you through the final steps, like confirmations. And there you go. You've successfully navigated through the maze of menus to cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription. Isn't it nice to have a clutter-free membership list? Remember, cancellations typically go into effect at the end of your current billing cycle, so you'll still have access until then. Now that you've mastered the art of subscription management on Amazon, why not check out our other tutorials for more handy digital life skills? But for now, that's everything you need to know to cancel your subscription and take back control of your services. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.